Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your family album app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here. When here it's going to show for your notification settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to free branch over, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going, that's mean free branch over notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.